request here. Microvision chain. Okay, I don't know how many of you guys are into this out there, but I'm going to show you some stuff to watch out for on this and some stuff to keep track of. All right, you have a support line there, and it looks like you have a resistance line up through here. Okay, so that could any break of this area could be a breakout or breakdown. A pennant like this is neither bullish nor bearish. Okay, it looks like it did a 5-wave up here. You can see in here, looks like wave 1 may have started there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you usually have an ABC correction in here. Let's see if we can find. Let's see here. Put a fib on this thing. You do have a 702 right there. It'll pull back in there. It could have a small ABC right in here. Yeah, that's probably exactly where an ABC correction in there, a smaller one. All right, but yeah, I would keep an eye on this pennant. I would draw this pennant. You got your 4-hour RSI right on the bottom, trying to bounce here. You got your 8-hour right almost at the bottom. Okay, you got your 12 coming down. The 12 hours still coming down, and you got your daily. The daily is bearish at a 45 and a 52. Looks like the daily wants to pull down. The weekly, you just basically just started a weekly RSI, but it's bearish, 80 and an 89. Okay, so it looks like you could get a breakdown of this pennant. All right, it could be. It's hard to say. You just have to keep an eye on it. Really, if I put a fib on here, usually. And that trend-based Fibonacci, if we were looking for a price target for your 5 waves up, this looked like it would have been the wave 1 right here, the low to the high to the retrace would have gave you a price target. Up here at $30.18, it actually went up to almost 35. And then pulled back. I would have been happy with 30 after that, after it crashed down to 23 here. It overshot the target is what happened, but you can see it didn't undershoot it. I love this trend-based fib. Or was the wave 1? Let me see something here. Or was the wave 1 right here? Retracement would be that. That's very possible. Okay, that very well could have been too. Could have been right here. Either way you look at it, not too bad. Definitely came very close to the price targets, but looks like the 5 waves up. I would be looking for a correction. Any breakdown of $22.40, then this thing's breaking down. Right? And if it does break down, it's going to correct pretty hard. Okay, I would be. Then watch for that $17, $18 area. If you lose that, it could pull down here to 11. And the reason I say that, if I look at this with a Fibonacci on here, and if this is an A, B, if this pulled up there and then it moved down here, would give me a target down here of 1438 if it breaks down. Okay. That would be a big ABC. That's trying to hold this support. All right, you want to see a break back up above $24. All right, 2408, 2420, somewhere around that range. You want to see it flip that this upper area, this former resistance over here. You want to see it gain that back as support. All right, then it has a shot at getting out of this upper range. Any break of $28. Any break of 27.50, then you got a breakout on the upside. All right, so kind of a mixed bag here with this thing. It's trying to hold this bottom support, but if it loses that, okay, you can see a support line right here. Oops, right there. Whoops, holy cow, why is that break? right there that it's trying to hold. Okay, at $22, 22 bucks. All right, if it loses 22, then it's coming down to 17, 18 bucks. All right, if it loses that, then watch for that target that I gave you, for the ABC. Just all the RSIs are getting a little oversold. Then you have to have a hard correction once in a while, shake people out of the market. I would give this a target down around, 14, 1450 roughly, right down here. That would make it a big, if I was a Batman, and of course I am, I would more or less personally be looking for something like this. ABC, but we'll see what happens. Keep your eye on them charts. All right, thank you very much, guys. Have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe, but consider becoming a member. We got a lot of great people in here, man. 50 some members. Level 3 trading course is $14.99. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.